Morning children, hope you are all enjoying good health. Are you eating your food? Are you enjoying the videos what I am sending? Not just enjoying, but are you practicing whatever I am teaching you? That is very important. In every video, there is a special lesson you have to learn and discuss with your friends, discuss with your relatives. How about your online classes? Are you getting ready for the test? How are you appearing for your test? You have to be very alert, be focused, and then answer properly. Then only you will score good marks, and what will happen? That will make your parents proud. Followed? No other work, just learn and make them proud. So every week I am instilling in you what? Wonderful values, and that you are supposed to use and change to become a smart child. So today another value I am instilling in you is what? You should not compare yourself with any clever boy or any sports person or anybody. You are important. In your own way, you are important. So today I am relating to you a story about the crow in the forest. Okay? Please focus and listen to what's happening. The crow is in the forest. Can you see the color of the crow? What is the color of the crow? It is black. It is black. Because it is black, it was very what? It was very sad. It didn't have any other color on it. So it was very sad. Follow? So why it was sad? Because it was only black. And it had no colors. It had no colors on him or her. So it was very, very sad. So it goes to the swan and says, "You are so pretty. You are so pretty. Look at me. I am only black, but you are so pretty. See how you are swimming in the water." See, the swan said, "Look, I am not pretty. Go and look at the parrot. The parrot is more prettier than me. Just go and observe. It has two colors." See, can you see the parrot? How many colors a parrot is having? It has two colors. It is more beautiful than me. See, it has two colors and it is more beautiful than me. Okay? So, the crow flies and goes and talks to the parrot and says, "You are so beautiful. Everyone love you. Just see, I am just black. But what happened to you? You have such wonderful colors on you." Okay? I am not happy, parrot says. I am not happy with these two colors. Go and look at the peacock. The peacock is having so many colors. See, the peacock is so popular. It is in the zoo. Many people come to see it. Whereas I am here in the forest. Nobody come to see me. Though I am having two colors, nobody is interested in me. See, so the crow goes to the peacock and says what? "Hello peacock. You have so many colors. You are so wonderfully made. Everyone, you are so popular. You are so wanted. Everyone are wanting only you. See me. I am just black. Nobody likes me. See, you are so colorful. See, so many colors are there in you. You are so wonderfully made. But see me. I am just having just one color, and that is black all over me. Nobody is interested in me. I am not happy. I am sad." So the peacock explains, "I too, I am sad. Why? I am in the cage. Though I am so popular, lakhs of people come to see me. But what happened? I am stuck in the cage. All the time I am in the cage or I am in the forest. I am not free. I am not free like you. How are you free? You can fly high. You being a crow, see, you can fly high in the sky. Can you see the crow flying high in the sky? You are free. You can fly high in the sky. Whenever you can come down on the ground, you can come. You are having freedom. So you can move freely whenever you are. You are not in the cage. So you can roam. You can roam the whole world. You can fly to place and enjoy yourself. But I am stuck in the cage." See? So here we learn a lesson from the crow that we have to be content. Everybody has flaws. Everybody has dejections. Everybody is worried. But we should be content. In our class, in your class, what will happen? Some children will be very clever. Some will be very dull. Some will be very good in the sports. But you should not get dejected. Every person is very, very important in his or her own way. So you have to be content. Say, I am good. I am the best. See, you should not be envious. Say, oh my God, teacher is only calling him or her. She is giving him the leadership. Only she is being called by the master for all the games. No, don't be envious. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Followed? That will make you bad. Followed? Being jealous, being envious will make you a bad child. So don't compare yourself. Maybe you're fat, you're thin, you're tall, you're fair, you're dark. Okay? But you are important. Tell yourself, I am also important. I have good qualities in me. I am the best. Followed? You have to speak to yourself. So do your best wherever you are planted. Wherever you are planted, maybe on the sports field, maybe in the class, during an experiment, you do your best. Definitely, you will become a star. Okay? So what you should do, you should just smile and be happy at different circumstances. What you are going to do, even if teacher calls only that student or teacher calls only that boy, what will happen? Just say, no problem. I will do my best. I will be happy. I will be happy inside, within and outside. I will be happy that my friend is chosen. Some other day I will be chosen. Okay? Always be happy, children. That is very important. Stay happy. So today's lesson is what? Don't compare yourself with others. That is very, very important. If you compare yourself with others, what will happen? You will become sick. You will become sick. You will become dejected. So don't compare with others. So today's lesson is what? Don't compare with others. Tell yourself, speak to yourself, I am important. I am good. Maybe he is good in dancing. I am good in studies. Maybe she is good in sports. I am good in singing. So everyone are talented in their own way. So share this and don't compare. Don't compare with your sister. Don't compare with your brother. Mummy is always looking at my sister. Mummy always looking at my brother. No comparison. Each one of you are important in your own way. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and all the best. A big God bless for all of you. Keep smiling, okay? That's very important. Bye, children.